Please put your hands together for Mr. AC De Guzman. All right, give it up for Mr. De Guzman, everybody.
Good afternoon. Yeah. Thank you. Good afternoon and hello everyone. What's up? Woo! Kumusta lahat? All good? All good? I see a lot of familiar faces here. Just to share, Shopee Philippines has been, I would say, my home and training ground for at least 3.5 years during the net market ACC era. Just a quick share. But anyway, to make things official, on behalf of Honor Philippines, welcome everyone. And a big thank you to our amazing partners at Shopee Philippines for making this exclusive launch possible. Everyone, let's give them a quick round of applause. Our connection with Shopee Philippines is growing by